Hello and welcome back. I have some really fun modification for my Pavoni. So Pavoni has just a regular shower head, that's the stock, and I just got a shower head from IMS. So they use the precision shower head, supposedly control the flow and nice and even flow of the water coming out from the group head. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. I'm gonna shout out to Stefano at Espresso Care. And I talked to him and he recommended this shower head. So I thank you for his recommendation. I'm going to put a link down below as well. So let's get going. Inside has IMS Shower Screen here. Let's take a look. Okay, just like that. Looks much different there. And then complimentary brush. And also I did order the one hole let's say steam one tip, so I'm looking forward to trying that as well. So but before I'm going to replace it, I'm going to heat up the Pavoni. I'm going to show you what that stock flow looks like. As you can see from the video, the flow is like somewhat irregular, I thought. Okay, don't quote me on that because I never used this one before. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I'm going to replace with new IMS. So we need, so this is 14 millimeter. I'm just going to remove the top there. Just remove it. And also remove this bolt. Just remove the pin from the top. Make sure, be careful, you don't want to lose this. You do not want to lose this. There we go. Move the pin like so. And then move up. And I like to use like something like this to push down. Okay. I was hoping I can push it down, but it didn't work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my mallet. I got this piece of wood here because I don't want to damage the screw. So I'm just going to gently As you can see, it just popped up, so we are good to go. Yep, I mean, come out nicely. So as you can see from here, it looks completely different than IMS, okay? So this is more, seems like different design, the way they designed it. So anyway, so what I'm gonna do is right now, since I got the basket shower screen out, I'm just gonna give it a quick clean inside. So now I'm put my gasket into the ring like this. I'm just going to put it in up there to just make sure. I like to line it up and just put it in nicely inside. After that, I'm going to take the portafilter filter basket out from the portafilter, just to put it in here, up there, and then I'm going to twist it and turn that, make sure to get the right fit in. So make sure I'm going to have a good fit inside. Just make sure fits all the way in. And the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to put the filter basket in and then do the same process. So now we know we are in there properly. So now we are ready to go. Just going to do one more time. Good. So next step is I'm going to put everything back together. First, I'm going to put the pin back in. I'm going to switch side. I'm going to use the mallet just to give you a little gentle tap. There we go. And we are going to secure back in. Make sure do it slowly, so you don't want to lose this. Just gonna push back in here. There we go. Actually secure in there pretty good. Now I'm gonna turn back on the power and let's see what they look like. So now my lap Pavoni is ready to go. So let's take a look with the new IMS screen, the shower screen, and see what's the difference is. With the IMS screen, the flow is a little bit more calmer than regular stock one. So I don't know. So only way to find that is I'm gonna pull the shot next time, see what's the shot quality look like. You know, if whenever you look at the puck, just make sure not puck is undisturbed, which means that's a good sign. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or comment down below. And make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. And see you guys next time.